In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Udemy course to Wishlist on desktop. A wishlist is a simple way to save courses you're interested in so you can come back later, compare options, or wait for a sale without losing track. It doesn't enroll you or charge you. It just keeps everything you're considering in one handy place. Start by visiting Udemy on your desktop browser. From the home page, you can either use the search bar at the top to type in a topic, a skill, or a specific course name, or you can browse by category if you're exploring. Take a moment to refine your results if you need to. Filters like rating, level, language, or price help narrow things down, and clearer results make the next step easier. Once you see a list of courses, each item appears as a course card. These cards typically show the course title, instructor, rating, number of students, and price. To reveal the wishlist option, move your mouse pointer directly over the course card you're considering. Don't click yet, just hover. On desktop, hovering brings up extra controls on the card, and that's where you'll find what you need. As you hover, look near the Add to Cart button. A small heart icon will appear, labeled Wishlist. This heart is the key to saving the course. When you're ready, click the heart. You should see a quick visual confirmation. Often the heart fills in or changes color, letting you know the course has been added to your wish list. If nothing appears right away, make sure your pointer is over the card itself, and not just the title or a tiny portion of the thumbnail. A slight move toward the center of the card usually triggers the icons to show up. That's all it takes. You can repeat the same process for any other courses that catch your eye. Hover over the course card in the results, then click the heart next to Add to Cart. It's a fast way to build a shortlist while you compare content, ratings, and instructors. If you accidentally click the heart on the wrong course, don't worry. Clicking it again typically removes it from your wish list, so it's easy to fix. A quick tip. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to log in before the wishlist can save properly. Once you're signed in, your wishlist stays tied to your account, so you can return to it anytime from your desktop. And that's it. You've learned the easiest way to add a Udemy course to your wishlist on desktop. Happy learning, and enjoy organizing your next set of courses to take.